Ng ano ko, sakit. Ay, ang grabe yung pawis ko. Uy, pastilan.
Ako din, ang init pala sa ulo nito.
Sige lang, nagmamaganda.
Magpapaganda eh. Ginusto mo yan eh. Tiis ganda.
O, tiis ganda. Ginusto mo yan eh. Kaya, diretso ka. Okay.
Okay, be, kung mabasa.
Nahulog na short ko.
Nahulog. Iya, nagarta.
Yan, nag-under yung short ko. Nahulog na.
Nagdiwang ka na.
Nagniwang na ako.
Nagdiwang na ikaw.
Ay,
nahulog na.
Oo. Sana ako nagniwang. Oo. Makamakal ako buwas mulad. Goodbye naman ng halayet.
Hindi mo naman makaumbas. Yan, nilisa ato ni. Layasan kita ni ng aton mga viewers, Ma'am Shihong, na obra nato. Yan eh. Ay, ako maglayas ha.
Oh, may foreigner akong kasama ngayong gabi. Huwag kayong aalis. Okay.
Oh, guys. Eto na. Kantahan ko kayo. Kita ko pa naman.
Sige, Bire. Para sabihin lang, there's a foreigner.
Yes.
Yeah, all the way from Sacramento. Nalala mo yung kagabi? Naniwala
Oo nga, sabi ko, bakit yun pa ang naano ni Ma'am?
From Sacramento, California. Sana all na lang. Naniwala tuloy si Idol. Idol yun nila kay vlog.
Ikaw talaga, Ma'am.
Masakit na naman ang junk. Pastilan talaga.
Abe, kung kaya ko basahon ng lyrics. Be, tari na.
Okay. Siyempre with giling si Kuya Oh yeah!
Simply beside you,
Oh yeah!
wishing you always be close to me. And forever tell you, every night I see you in my dreams. You'll be me, I'll never let you go. Why don't you start to be a fantasy? Let's make the love become reality. Oh, I will pray for the day to come when we'll be joined together close as one. Together close as one. But it don't cover more. I feel the passion falling deep inside my soul. You're the solution. I know you can streak in my phone. Believe me, I'll never let you go. Why is up to the fantasy? Let's make the love become a reality. Oh, I will pray for the day to come when we'll be joined together close as one. Pwede.
14 eyes.
Oy, 14 eyes? Hindi ko kasi makita. Woo! Every 20. Woo! What is number boy? Believe me, I will never let you go. Why don't you stop to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality.